Yet another unnecessary video by WAPTech. Someone asked me to look up specific quote, assassination Trump FPV kamikaze drone. Alright, and I did. Looking up Trump assassins FPV kamikaze drone gives you jack shit. There's no mention of Thomas Crooks having a drone in most cases, but mentioning he used one, but not by brand or model, so we can't evaluate it, whether it's FPV or not, kamikaze or not. News said it was, eventually when I found it, news said it was a 4-pound, 2-kilogram payload DJI camera drone. Okay. It was flown in a pre-programmed set and forget it path above and behind his eventual firing position for about 11 minutes from 3:50 p.m. till maybe 4 p.m. and or from 4:11 p.m. to 4:22 p.m. No mention of FPV or kamikaze, and the FBI gave a different timeline, probably because they mix up numbers all the time. It was, quote, about 2 hours before the attempt at 6:11 p.m. So, about could be just around 4 p.m. Okay, let's just call it that. The only thing I could find that mentioned takeoff weight or payload, because they don't mention payload because that's a touchy word, is a $16,500 4-kilogram max takeoff weight DJI Inspire 3. It's an FPV camera drone, not kamikaze. Nobody would even put that. And it weighs 4 kilograms. So the payload on it would be 0.3 kilogram. Payload versus, takeoff weight are very different things. Where did this actually come from? January 12th, 2022, Iran released a fake video propaganda showing Donald Trump on his golf course being attacked by a drone in revenge for the killing of somebody. And that's definitively a military kamikaze drone, usually in the form of what sounds like a moped with wings. And that was January 13th, and links below in the description. Now we have Thomas Matthew Crooks, attempted assassination of Donald Trump in Pennsylvania. We have Ryan Wesley Rolfe, attempted assassination of Donald Trump in Florida. I'm sure drones could be involved or not. It doesn't really matter one way or another. But the idea that someone's going to build a drone to run into someone almost absolutely requires a FPV view. But these are not really advanced. They have a camera on them. In fact, most of the payload is for a camera. The only way to get it to go from point A to point B at some speed that would act fast enough to act as a weapon, and what kind, exploding or just impactor, requires that you have not necessarily a big payload, but something else. The word payload and kamikaze and whatever are very search engine friendly, and the kind of thing you hashtag for things for sci-fi movies. So, what is my opinion of this rumor or meme or conspiracy theory or presumptive statement or whatever you want to call this? Unless you have a link that specifically includes the word kamikaze, drone, FPV, and Trump assassination in some way, we don't have any data here to work on, so can't evaluate the claim. Next, there's obviously a reference to the 2022 fake video. Next, why would a kamikaze drone be running around a little circle and sit down? Then the meme will be, someone will irrationalize this as, well, they were going to hit him with a kamikaze drone. No. You have to actually have an origin story, a basis for it, not someone tomorrow morning retro-conning a fan fiction video on YouTube. All the links are below. There's a lot of them that are archives. The rest of them are Wikipedia listings for the Pennsylvania and Florida attacks and the individuals that did it or tried to. And again, repeating, I'm not advocating for doing this sort of thing. I really am not. I am upset and disappointed with our country and its divisive nature and our violent behavior in this country in general. I'm not advocating for doing anything other than voting him out of office, or if you want to, you can try impeaching him. Other than that, everything's off the list. You can't do any of it. Go out and vote. Go out and activist. Go out and fight, but do not attack. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that. And post a link if you know where this story came from and whether it's valid or not.